On Uncle Jeff's Easy-Peasy English today, we're looking at the present perfect continuous. We use the present perfect continuous to talk about an action or a situation that began in the past and continues up until now, the time of speaking. For example, my wife has been talking on the telephone for the last hour. My wife has been talking on the telephone for the last hour. We also use it for repeated actions over a period of time from the past until now. For example, I've been playing tennis since I was a small boy. So I started way back in the past when I was little, and I'm still playing now. I have been playing tennis since I was a small boy. How do you make the present perfect continuous? Have plus been plus ing. So present perfect is have plus a third form. Have plus been. Continuous is be plus ing. So there's be, been, because it has to be with have been, and ing. So my wife has been talking on the telephone. I have been playing tennis since I was little. Present perfect continuous. Easy peasy with Uncle Jeff's help. Thank you for watching. See you next time on Uncle Jeff's Easy Peasy English. Bye-bye for now.